Baby?
What are those, honey? What are those?
I know, and you got blocks last night so they can go together.
What are those? Alright, I wonder if they're the same size.
They're both Mega Bloks, they should be.
Yes, oh no, 300 blocks.
Now you have 300 Mega Bloks.
We had a lot of fun playing with the blocks. Wow, honey! They're blocks! You want to open the bag? Here, we'll open this. Oh, you can't open it. Pull this out.
Do you need scissors?
Wow! They're blocks! Look, we take a block and we put it like this. This put. Like this, together, and look, here it fits.
All right, baby. 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 Clap your hands.
Yay! She's busy playing. All right, I'm gonna open.
And you're occupied.
I'm gonna open it. Oh. Excellent wrapping skills, dude. Yeah, excuse me. What is this?
You probably have to take them out too.
Whoa, Daddy seriously has style, I have to say. And you really like fabrics. Should I try them on?
Why don't you see what else I got you there?
Really? Is it here?
It's right there.
Oh, that? Alright, I'll try that on. Ouch. Does it look pretty?
Those things are humongous.
These look good. This is gonna look good.
Wow.
Wow, honey. Oh, these